Okay, in the Market Library Research Guide, under the Market Research tab, we're going to look for the market research databases. These will help give us information about specific products and industries to be able to research. We're going to use the Mintel Academic Research Database specifically. So we're going to select Mintel Academic, and it'll take you to this page, and you will have to agree to the permissions and acknowledge them before you can continue. Once you do that, you'll be brought to the Mintel page, and here you can determine what you're looking for. So say we wanted to learn more about grocery stores. You can search, and we can do grocery retail 2026. We can read our report. We can view the data book. We can also just go by categories. So say we wanted to look at food, but specifically baby formulas, we could add that, or baked goods, dairy products, desserts, you name it. You can also look at, beauty care and trends. You can look at regions by countries or demographics. Are they affluent? Are they millennials? Are they parents? Are they teenagers? What is your demographic? You can even look at special topics to be able to understand these better. So we could always go, we want to look at North America, specifically US, and we want to see 2026 predictions. And our demographics, we want to see how teens shop in grocery stores. Now, you'll notice we don't have any information here, so we're going to take teens off, and we can see global food and drink predictions. That was published back in October of 2025, and this will give us predictions about food and drink for the 2026 year. Whatever we're looking for, we can always adjust our demographic models. We can always adjust how we do this, and we can look at 2025 trends, and we can then do the demographic of teens, or we can say millennials specifically, but we can always adjust and understand better our trends by adjusting our searches.